Tested Tuesday. Tested Tuesday.
It's a brand new day. Wake up, darling, show me what you can do with the gifts you're given. Trust.
Apply all over face, neck, and chest as desired. Leave on for 15 minutes and wash away with warm water and a washcloth. Avoid use in eye area. If direct contact should occur, rinse with cool water. Let's look at the actual benefits of this. Does this say? It's just a purifying charcoal clay facial mask. I was hoping it'll tell me. So, no fragrance, no parabens, no sulfates, mineral oil, glycerol or dyes. I've skipped a few of them. Ingredients, water. I love to see that. That is the first ingredient on here. And I'm not going to read every single thing that's on here, but that's about it. All right, let's get to use it. Like this mask. I can't speak too soon because I don't know if I'll have some sort of reaction to it later on, but for right now it's pretty good. It was really easy to take off. You know, sometimes when you use masks, some of them are really hard to take off, but this one was fine. I just wet my face a little bit to loosen it up, rub it around, and then just washed it right off. I don't think I had any issues with it. I like the charcoal mask much better than the ones that turn out to be peeled because those hurt. So this one is pretty good. It doesn't hurt to take off. You just wash it right off. You don't have to peel it off or anything. This is the hyperpigmentation that I was talking about getting rid of. The little just black spots that came after I did the hemp seed oil. So right now, while I'm using the black soap, I'm hoping this will reduce the little black spots. It's reduced a lot of it so far, so I'm hoping that it will continue. But that is all for this Tested Tuesday. Again, please make sure to comment below which hairspray should I try on my hair from this box. So my next video, I will test out one of these temporary sprays. Let me know if I should test out the purple or the blue. So purple, comment down below, blue, comment down below. If you want, you can use like a purple heart emoji or something and a blue heart emoji. That's just fine if you don't feel like typing it all out. But yes, that is all. See you next time. See you next time. Again, this is all that I got in my box. Thank you all for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, share with everybody that you know about my Tested Tuesday video so that they can come and watch it, all my other videos too. See ya!
Rise and shine, gotta get the day started. Sun beaming in my face as the blessings keep falling.